Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick review of this cordless vacuum. This vacuum was actually gifted to me from the seller for my unbiased review. Just got out the box, so we're going to see what all you get here. Has a little extension. But here's pretty nice. You can push that in as well. I know on the instructions it says keep this away from hot and flames. This will be on the safe side. This is self-explanatory. The bottom here, really wiggly. Nice wheels on the bottom. This is where you turn it on at. Got the on-off button. And this is where the battery goes, looks like. I'm gonna have to charge the battery before I use it. And this is where you open and close to get everything out. Put it in the trash. Here's the charger for the battery. Nice and long. Extension there. That's what the connection looks like. And here's the battery right here. So it's like it will go inside here. It's like that. Here's a telescopic extension. See if I'm hitting. Oh, okay. The button's right here. You want to slide that out. Pretty nice there. This looks like the wall mount. And then it comes with 2 anchors and 2 screws. Also comes with the filter. And another extension here. So next I'm gonna charge this for a little bit, then I'm gonna take it upstairs and give it a run. And we'll see.
Oh, you're trying. You see that hold on right there? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. This one went back under and then the nose one started in there.